Sentence Making with Irregular Verbs, Episode 1. Base form break. Past simple broke. Participle broken. Example sentences. I swear I didn't break the vase. I swear I didn't break the vase. We broke that door last month. We broke that door last month. My brother has broken 4 windows this week. My brother has broken 4 windows this week. Break, base form. Example. The company has a break room. The company has a break room. It's wrong to break the rules. It's wrong to break the rules. I have a lunch break at school. I have a lunch break at school. I am tired and I need a break. I am tired and I need a break. The couple had a messy breakup. The couple had a messy breakup. The waves will break on the shore. The waves will break on the shore. Let's take a break and play a game. Let's take a break and play a game. The ice will break down in the sun. The ice will break down in the sun. Let's take a break and have a picnic. Let's take a break and have a picnic. He usually breaks the egg over the sink. He usually breaks the egg over the sink. When a major story breaks, journalists can expect to work round the clock. When a major story breaks, journalists can expect to work round the clock. Now he breaks his silence about the flawed evidence. Now he breaks his silence about the flawed evidence. We need to get home before the storm breaks. We need to get home before the storm breaks. Broke past simple. Example. The branch broke with a loud noise. The branch broke with a loud noise. The chair broke when she sat on it. The chair broke when she sat on it. The storm broke the house at 5 o'clock. The storm broke the house at 5 o'clock. The bridge broke down in last earthquake. The bridge broke down in last earthquake. She broke the plates in a fit of temper. She broke the plates in a fit of temper. I broke the chocolate into halves, here's your half. I broke the chocolate into halves, here's your half. The news broke my heart. The news broke my heart. She broke the cookie in half. She broke the cookie in half. My blow dryer broke last week. My blow dryer broke last week. Broken participle. Example: John has broken off his engagement to Mary. John has broken off his engagement to Mary. The engine has broken down again. The engine has broken down again. His health has broken down because of overwork. His health has broken down because of overwork. The baby has broken the glass. The baby has broken the glass. Tom has broken his leg after the car accident. Tom has broken his leg after the car accident. The burglar had broken in through a window. The burglar had broken in through a window. He had broken my toy, which angered me a lot. He had broken my toy, which angered me a lot. They accused him, saying that he had broken the chair. They accused him, saying that he had broken the chair. This door handle has been broken for a month. This door handle has been broken for a month. What would have happened if the bridge had been broken when we came to it? What would have happened if the bridge had been broken when we came to it? The windows have been broken and need to be replaced. The windows have been broken and need to be replaced. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.